The Meghalaya Congress has condemned the disqualification of AICC leader and Wayanad MP Rahul Gandhi from Lok Sabha a day after the Surat court convicted and sentenced him to 2 years in jail in the defamation case. Congress Legislature Party leader Ronnie Lyngdoh said that it is a dangerous trend and a threat to democracy that opposition leaders are being disqualified and arrested without any space for appeal. He maintained that the instance only reveals that the defamation case was predetermined and motivated.
Opposition leaders arrested, and the disqualification was so fast. There's no room for an appeal. Yes, he may have said something, but then I think this only shows that the defamation case was pre-planned, predetermined, is to get a reason to disqualify him as an MP, and once convicted, then you're disqualified, ineligible to contest in the next 6 years. So this is a very dangerous trend. I think this never happened in the history of independent India.